In this video, we fake Steam content file log error message. So first you need to go to Steam and go to settings. In this, you need to scroll down, go to download. In this, make sure the download region should be your region or near to your region. Okay, make sure it. And after you need to scroll down and clear data cache is there. You need to click it and you need to confirm it. Once you confirm it, it will come out from the stream. Again, you need to log in. Okay, again you need to log in and open the stream. Again, go to settings. Here you go to storage settings and make sure the storage is free. Minimum 15 GB should be free. Depends on your gameplay. And go to three dot icon and go to repair library and click it, and it's repairing and checking the library folder files and folders. And after that, close it and go to library. In this library, you can see the left corner many games are there. In this, which games you have issue means go to that game and go to properties, and here installed files is there. You need to click the installed file and verify integrity of game file is there. Click it. It will verify your files and folders of games. If you have any issues, it will update it. And after, you need to go to settings, and here you need to go to Windows update. If any update is pending means you need to check for update and make sure any installation pending, update pending, you need to solve it, clear it. Okay, and after you need to go to network and internet and go to advanced network settings and go to network reset, and you need to click the reset now button in the right. Yes, it will reset your entire network adapter and reinstall it. And after that, you need to scroll down and go to C drive. In this C drive, right click and go to properties. In this tool is that, go to tool, click, check and scan the drivers. So maximum all the files and folders are in C drive. So you can go with the C drive and scan the entire C drive. If there is any issues, it will update it and it will fix it. Okay. After confirming, close it and restart your PC